Welcome to the TFDAP Dealer Recognition Series, the show where we interview track phone dealers in our community in order to learn more about what makes them a successful professional in the prepaid industry. The goal of today's interview is to encourage our dealer community to listen, learn, and be inspired to grow their wireless businesses. We know it's not easy running a prepaid business, and today you'll hear from Alonzo Williams about his experience as a track phone dealer. I'm your host, Moxie Rogers, and I am the community manager of the TFDAP team. Please allow me to introduce you to Alonzo Williams. Hello, Alonzo. Thank you so much for coming onto the show today. We know your time is very valuable, and I'm so looking forward to learning about your personal experience as a track phone dealer. Would you like to take a moment to introduce yourself to our audience?
All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Alonzo Williams, Premium Phone Sales Plus Repair, LLC, Suite 16A in the BNI Shopping Center.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing that with us. And now that we've had the pleasure of getting to know Mr. Williams, we can get right into the show. I want to ask you first, Mr. Williams, can you tell us in your own words, what is it like for you to be a track phone dealer?
Independence, freedom, just happiness, all around happiness. It's just been a blessing to be a part of this. I never knew this was something that I could do. And now that I know it is, I'm ready to open up my second one and keep it going.
That's amazing. Can I ask you, what makes you say it's a blessing? What gives you that feeling that the work that you're doing is so good?
I get to interact with new people every day. I get to not only sell a new phone or a gadget to go with the phone, I get to sell them a quality service along with that. And they know that if for some reason they move to an area and that service is not working, they got 4 or 5 other different services that I cover with track phone that they can go through. So that's they don't just have one stop they can go to and they be like, oh, you have all these other ones I can go to, and that helps it out. So they be like, oh, that one don't work. I had that one before. I'd be like, well, I got several other ones. They'd be like, oh, that's nice. So that's what makes it a blessing. Now, I could show the customers the different plans and the programs that they offer. They'd be like, how you remember all that? I said, just a blessing. It's just a blessing because I didn't know I was going to be doing this 4 or 5 years ago.
Wow. I really love that answer. It sounds like you're really, really passionate about the work you do. And then serving your customers is a very big part of what makes it a blessing for you. And I love that, this work means so much to you.
Yes.
So my next question is, are there certain tools or trainings that you believe contribute to the success of your store?
Well, I believe that all the trainings that they have set up is good guidance, but it's for me personally, it's bringing all of them together and just allowing the customer to know the benefits that I'm able to provide for them by being a track phone dealer.
Amazing. How do you ensure that your customers leave your store with a good experience?
Well, by communicating, make sure that I listen to the question rather than just hearing them. That way I can provide the quality phone and accessories that they need, not just one.
Awesome. I love that answer.
Thank you.
All right, so for our last question, I'd love to ask you, Alonzo, what does it mean to you to be able to provide prepaid phones to your community?
Well, it's an honor and a blessing because they have Simple Mobile as well. So it lets me provide track phone, total wireless, Go Smart, Page Plus, and now they're supposed to be getting Verizon on board. So it gives them, the customer and the consumer, more than just one option. And they know they're getting a quality phone, not just a basic track phone. So, and they have someone that can communicate with them as well as showing them the best items for them.
Beautiful, beautiful answers. Well, Alonzo, those are all the questions that we had for you today. I want to thank you again for taking the time to speak with me this afternoon. It was a pleasure to be able to learn about your experience, the process behind your success, and of course, what keeps you motivated to continue the work of providing affordable plans to your community. Is there anything you'd like to add or share with our audience before we end the show?
Come on out, shake a hand and make a new friend. Premium Phone Sales Plus Repair, Suite 16A. Look forward to helping you.
Awesome. Perfect. Well, thank you again for being here on the TFDAP Dealer Recognition Series. If you're listening at home and you enjoyed this podcast, please like, comment, and subscribe so you can join the dealer community. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. We have more dealers like Alonzo to meet, and we can't wait for you to hear their stories. And for all our dealers at home who took the time out of their incredibly busy days to watch this, we thank you for being here as well. You can follow us on Instagram at TFDAP. And if you are a track phone dealer who would be interested in being on the show, please send us a DM or comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy selling.